And daylight saving time,
Yes.
springing forward, finally.
I know, another hour. That can be tough on your sleep schedule, though. It
I'm
can get
wondering
us
how
all
our
off.
babies are going to react to this, though,
We
Kelly.
will see.
Yes.
We will see this weekend. But hey, there are some great essential oils you can use to really perk up your spirits and help with that spring cleaning. Our friends from doTERRA have more.
Well, you've probably heard of essential oils, especially in the last several years. They've certainly grown in popularity, and whether you're using them for aromatherapy, cooking, or cleaning, did you know that not all essential oils are created equal? Here to educate us a bit on that topic today, we have our friend Kirk Jowers from doTERRA. Thanks so much for joining us, Kirk.
Thanks for having me. I was just in Tennessee last week and had a wonderful time. So I wish I could be there in person, but here we are.
We're talking essential oils today, and you just mentioned before we got started, not all of these oils are created equal, right?
People have used essential oils from biblical times all the way through, but there had been some concern and warranted about whether the oils were pure, whether you're getting what you paid for. And that's kind of what doTERRA revolutionized, and that is why now we've got such an amazing following around the world.
Absolutely. How do you ensure at doTERRA that we are getting the purest essential oils?
So the most important thing is getting the best oils from the plants in their best atmosphere. So, best climate. So, for example, lavender, you want to get that from southern France, Bulgaria, Romania. Rose oil, you want to get from those incredible rose fields in Bulgaria. Wintergreen, you want to get from Nepal. So we source our oils from 46 different countries. And we work directly with the farmers. We partner with them, and it's incredible. We now support over 1 million lives of people living in these countries who grow and distill our oils, and many of their families have been doing this for hundreds of years. The other thing, of course, is that we are recognized as the most tested, most trusted essential oil brand on earth. And we have 60 different tests that we can do on each oil. And in fact, when you buy one of our oils, there's a QR code, so you can get the test results on your specific bottle of oil. So you know exactly what's in it and know that there's no extenders or adulterants in it.
You can't think essential oils and not think a little bit of cleaning, and we've got spring cleaning coming up. And I know there are several that are perfect to kind of help us tidy up around the home this spring, right?
That's right. So, I'm a guy and I'm not as good at cleaning as some. And so the one I go to the most is lemon, um, because it works so effectively, and then the smell is amazing. So I use that all the time to wipe down, our countertops and tables and things like that. Um, my wife can give you a lot more of them, but and each, because there's so many, we have over 100 essential oils, for example, that we offer. So, for example, if you're cleaning your wood surfaces, you might enhance that with some of our woods, a cedar wood or a wintergreen. Brings out the smell, brings out some of the qualities of the wood. When you're in your shower, I use eucalyptus, for example, there. So it really is endless, which oils are best, and a lot of them work on everything, but some of them work best on certain things.
Hey, Kirk, for more information on doTERRA or any of your essential oils, or to learn more about buying some of those, where's the best place for folks to go?
Go to doTERRA.com, www.doterra.com, and you can buy them directly online.
We appreciate you. Hey, for more information on the essential oils through doTERRA, you can also check out our website at livingeasttennessee.com.
There you go.
Yes.
So essential oils help, but we know that getting a great night's rest or getting you
yes.
reacclimated on this new spring schedule will help as well.
Sleep